This video is going to show you how to formulate an offer and how to analyze a deal. It's a quick overview video. So first and foremost, you have to be able to find ARV. So that's kind of a starting point, which is your after repaired value. Okay. So how you do that is by pulling comps. That was in a video you've already received. And how you do your calculation now is you take your ARV times 0.80 minus repairs. Okay, and what the 0.80 accounts for is your holding costs, commissions, transaction fees for buying and selling. Okay. Now this number can change based on what your holding costs are. This is the number that I use based on what my holding costs are, which is 2 and 12, 0 and 10. If you have your own money, that number changes. It can go up or down. But basically, it's how I do my quick calculation to find Mayo. So this calculation right here, ARV times 0.80 minus repairs equals our Mayo, which is maximum allowable offer. Okay, so for this example, we're going to just jump right to it and say we've already found our ARV, and our ARV is 860K. Okay, so that means we've already pulled comps on the subject property from the last video. We found out what that ARV is. Okay, so then what we would do is we would take our 860K times 0.80 and then minus our repair number. Okay, so we need to be able to find our repair number. Now, one of the things that I've done is on my properties, I know $20 per foot equals quick remodel, which would be paint, carpet, fixtures, refinishing. And this is a low end, okay? That would be pretty low end, okay? 25 to 30 a foot is a little bigger remodel, so that would be paint, carpet, flooring, tile, minor tile, minor landscaping, etc. Okay, and then for a higher end, 30 to 35 per foot, and that's new electrical, new plumbing, new windows, new cabinets, new counters, so high and kind of decked out. Be a medium. Okay, so you can typically, let's say our subject property is 3,000 square feet. Good times that, and we're going to do a high-end remodel. We'll say it's 33 a foot because the roof's good and the furnace is good. Okay, again, that's just a quick number off my head. So that number would be 99,000. Quick, dirty number. So then we take the 860 times 0.8 minus 99, which equals a Mayo of 589. Okay, so basically what we would do is find the property, we'd walk through it, we'd identify our repair costs, we'd identify ARV, and that gives us a number that we'd want to offer on it. Okay? Now to take that a little further, I've provided you with this spreadsheet here. And what you can do is you can put in your property address. And then you can actually go through line item and fill this out, right? So if you had concrete curbing, you put in the notes and put a total in. Concrete repair, foundation repair, garage, new garage doors, 2 new doors, 3,000. Gutters, didn't need gutters there. Landscaping would be minor, just kind of a cleanup. Exterior paint, we did a two-tone. The home was 3,000 square feet. Okay, so 3,000 times $1.65. So technically that paint job should be $49.50. Roofing, didn't have any roofing. Siding's flashing. We did some cedar wrap. That was around $2,500. Cedar wrap was actually a T&G tongue and groove. Garage, another $2,500. Okay, so you just kind of go down this and fill this out. Make notes. Right? So I won't fill the whole thing out for the sake of the time of the video, but we get down here, you know, and we want to get that number. I always like to add a 10% buffer too. So I can figure out what the total is, and then I add my buffer in. But I'm just going to throw a number in here so we can keep the video going. Okay, so then you can jump over here and use this tool. Right, and you can put in, you know, what the purchase price you're looking at is. Okay, oops. And then you can put in, you can start to adjust, right? So we're running off a 0.8 male. Put our after repaired value in here. Okay, so let's say on our Mayo is 585, right? And then we put on our money terms, 2 and 12, 0, 12. Okay, got a purchase price here, due diligence, seller paid closing costs if we had those, commissions received. If you're an agent, you can bring that back in. If you're not, you put 0. Referral, cost of money, closing costs. So cost of money is your points up front. Closing costs would be your 1% to buy, right? And then we're going to put our sales price in here. Don't worry about these numbers. These are just kind of calculated on an estimated column. These are the actual, right? So you got a seller agent commission you'll pay, seller agent commission received if you're an agent. You would keep that. If not, you back it back out. Okay, it looks like I need to fix that calculation. This should zero out as well, so I'll do that after this video. Actually, let's just do it right now so I get an accurate number here. Okay, so back to here. If you're not an agent, you would toggle this to 0. Broker fee. Actually, if you're not an agent, that would go away as well. I'll fix that again here in a sec, but we'll leave it in there. It'll just throw us off a little bit. Buyer's agent commission paid, so you're going to be paying both of those. So you have a seller agent commission, buyer agent commission, and BC and AB. So AB is when you buy, seller is A, you're B, and then when you sell, you're B, new buyer C, AB, BC. Okay. Seller paid closing costs, typically over $300,000. You're not going to pay that. Closing costs, you're always going to pay that. Miscellaneous costs, utilities, private money, so on and so forth, okay? So then you can actually toggle how many months you're going to hold it, and that will affect your private money. And that gives us a total cost to buy, total repair cost, gross sale proceeds, and then our gross spread and our total profit, okay? So it's just kind of a useful tool you can play with. So yeah, that's kind of a quick overview on how to analyze the deal.